Hi and welcome to my Learn Build Tech Lab. Today I'm going to explain what Tinkercad is and what I've learned from my very first lesson. Tinkercad is basically a free online tool where you can design and simulate circuits. This means that you can build things like LED circuits on your computer and then test them before using the real components. So today I went on to Tinkercad website and explored the circuit section, and I learned how to place components like the LED and the resistor and a power source onto the workspace. So here I'm in the circuit section of Tinkercad. I'm going to build a simple circuit using a LED, a resistor and a power source. So first I place the LED on the board, and then I add the resistor, and then I'm going to add the power source right there, and then I'm going to connect everything together using the wires from the power source. So this is the cathode, this one is the cathode, so the cathode has to be connected to the resistor, and the anode has to be connected to the positive side of the power source. So you can flip it also here. So I'm going to flip it, and then the positive side will be on top so we can connect to the anode. So I'm connecting the anode to the positive, and then I'm connecting the cathode to the resistor, and the resistor connects to the negative side of the power source. So when I start the simulation, you will see the LED turns on. It turns on. And one thing I've learned is that the LED has a direction. So if you place it the wrong way, it won't work. I've also learned that you need the resistor to control the current. Otherwise the LED can burn out. And at first I was like a bit confused when my circuit didn't work, but then I realized it was because of how I connected the components, and when I fixed it, the LED worked properly. And I think Tinkercad is really useful, especially for beginners, because you can practice and make mistakes without damaging real hardware. So currently I'm still learning about this, but this is what I've understand so far, and I would recommend trying out the tutorials to get a better understanding from all of these. So that's all for me today. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.